All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Edit Workspace option, okay? So before I do that, let's talk about these real quick because I didn't really do much with these. But basically, reset undocked panels to saved layout. This is going to reset it to the default, okay? If I save changes to this workspace, I'm just saving what's already there. And then the final one here is save as a new workspace. So if I click on that, I can name this, so untitled workspace. We'll hit OK, and this actually works right into what I want to show you next, which is workspace and edit workspaces. So here I can go to untitled workspace and I can delete it. I can go to undock panels, I can't delete that. But what we can do is I can edit this top bar here, and I can move all of these out. And just have default there, okay? Or I can go back and we can add some to that. So let's say that we want to do animation. I want to do essential graphics, and I want to do all panels and color correction and effects. Okay, and I hit OK. Now I have all those options here, and then the overflow is this. Okay, but I want to edit that because I don't want the overflow menu. I don't like overflow menus. I don't think there's any point of it. If it's not going to be if it's not going to be on the bar, why even show it? You know, you can always get to it from here. So that eliminates that, right? And then I can just go to Window, Workspace, and Edit Workspaces and get the same thing. Okay, so I want to just have default animation, essential graphics, all panels, color, and effects. So that is how you edit workspaces. Okay, so with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.